Hello guys, so today we're gonna be making shawarma just without shawarma bread. We're gonna be making use of a loaf of bread. So I'm sure almost every university student or anyone that went through university or an actual university must have come across this. I don't know if I'll call it a meal or a snack at this point, but yeah, it's basically just how you make shawarma with the cabbage, the chicken, the hot dogs, but you use bread, like actual loaf of bread. So yeah, it's very very nice, very very delicious. If you don't have time or if you don't have the patience to roll shawarma bread, you can always just use your loaf of bread, something soft, something nice. So yeah, watch me as I make this very delicious snack stroke meal. So yeah, let's get it.